and slowly stand up. Now come up top of your mat, get ready for the sun salutation. Keep the legs together, feet together, arms side of your body in Samasthiti. Inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up and arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left leg back into the plank. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, left leg front. Head to the knees. Inhale, arms up, arch back, and exhale, arms down. Inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up and arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, left leg back. Retain right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, left leg front. Right leg front. Inhale, arms up, arch back, and exhale, arms down. Next round, inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up and arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg front, left leg front. Inhale, arms up, arch back, and exhale, arms down. Inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, left leg back. Retain right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain. Now stay there. Adjust your feet and palms. Slightly apart your feet. Fix your palms on the mat. Open your fingers and shift your body weight towards your palms, towards your feet. Breathe. Push your hips upward. Shift your body weight towards your heels. Press your palms through your wrist. Inhale, take the right leg up in the air. And exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, all the way up. Exhale down. One more time, right leg up. And exhale, bring the right foot forward. Place the right foot close to right palm. Now move your left toe more back. Left heel above your toe. Hands on your waist and come up. And slowly raise the arms over the head. Hold the high ledge. Keep the arms over the head. Palms facing to each other. Now push your tailbone down. Push your tailbone down. Tuck your navel point in. Pull the ribcage in and hold. 1, 2, 3. Place the both palms on the mat. Right leg back. Knees down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain. Stay there and breathe. Adjust your feet and palms. Hips up. Inhale, take the left leg up. And exhale, bring your left foot forward. Now move your right toe more back. Move your right toe more back. Keep the right leg straight. And hands on your both hands on your waist. And come up, exhale. Inhale, raise the arms over the head and hold for 3 breaths. Breathe. Stay there. Bring your hip down. Keep the front thigh bent nicely. Front knee bent and front thigh should be parallel to the mat. And back heel above your toe. Navel point tuck in. And exhale, palms on the mat. Right leg front. Stay there. Place the palm side of your feet on the mat and bring your head close to the legs. Inhale, look forward, stretch your arm forward all the way up and back. Exhale down. Left side, inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, left leg back. Pretend right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mounting. Adjust your feet and palms. Again, take the right leg up. And exhale, bring the right foot forward. Hands on your waist, come up. Stay there, breathe. Now bring your left foot slightly forward. So walk your left foot slightly in and bend the left knee. Close to the mat and hold. 1, 2. Now take a navel point in, pull the ribcage in. 3, 4, 5. Now drop the left knee on the mat. Join the palms close to heart center and twist your body right side. Place the left elbow on the right knee and look back. And release. Place the both palms on the mat and right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up, exhale, mounting. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, bring your left foot forward. Move your right toe more back, right toe more back. Right heel above your toe, hands on your waist and come up. Stay there for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now walk your right foot slightly in and bend the right knee close to the mat and hold for 1, 2, 3. Now place the right knee on the mat. Join the palms close to heart center. Twist your body left side. Place the left elbow on the right knee and look over the left shoulder. And release. Both palms on the mat and right leg front. Head to the knees. Inhale, arms up, arch back and exhale, arms down. Next round, inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Pretend left leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mounting. Inhale, right leg up. And just steady your body from your right side, pushing your right pelvis up. Reach with the right toe and bend the right leg upward, close to your left hip. And now look towards your right foot over the left shoulder. So keep arching your back. And exhale, come back to the center. Keep the knees bent to the chest. Move your body forward into the plank and touch your right elbow with the right knee. And release. Place the right knee between the palms. Yeah. Push your back leg more back. Keep the toe out. And stretch your arms forward for the pigeon pose. Stay there and breathe. And slowly come back. Bring your palms close to your body. Stay there. Sit down and bend the back leg. Hold the left ankle with your left hand. Right hand on the mat, right side. And just bring your left foot close to your body. You can look back. Body should be central. And release. Place the foot on the mat. Place the both palms on the mat. Left knee up, take the right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mounting. Inhale, left leg up. And now turn your body from your left side. Bend the left knee. And look towards your left foot. Over the right shoulder. and slowly come back to the center. Bring your left knee close to your chest and touch your left elbow with your left knee. And place the left knee between the palms. Keep the right toe out and stretch your arms forward. Bring your palms down. Slowly sit up. Bring your palms close to your body. Place the left hand to the left side. Bend the right leg. Hold the right ankle with the right hand and just pull your right foot towards your body. You can look towards your right foot or you can look forward. It's your choice. And release. Place the palms on the mat. Take your right toe and lift your right knee up and bring your front leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up, exhale mountain. Inhale left leg front, right leg front. Inhale arms up, arch back and exhale arms down. Inhale and exhale hands to the chest. Inhale arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg up. And exhale, bring your right foot forward, close to right palm. Hands on your waist and slowly come up. Stay there. Push your tailbone down. Back heel above your toe. And inhale, raise the arms over the head. Stay there, hold. Navel point tucking. Keep the back and arm straight and stretch upward. Now join the palms. Shooting warrior. Reach forward with your arm and back and pull your hips back. Pull your hips back. Then stretch your spine and arms forward for the shooting warrior. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Now place the both hands on the mat. Bring your left palm close to right foot. Then twist your body. Take the right arm up. And release. Bring your both hands down. Right leg back. Knees down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale up. Exhale mountain. Stay there and breathe. Keep breathing in the abdomen. Hold the mountain. Inhale, left leg up. And exhale, bring your left foot forward. Hands on your waist and slowly come up. And then raise the arms over the head. Stay there, breathe. Hold. Now join the palms. Reach forward for the shooting warrior. Pull your hips back, then stretch your spine and arms forward. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Now place the right palm close to left foot. Just twist your body left side. Take the left arm all the way up. Breathe. And release. Now right leg front. Inhale, arms up, arch back and exhale, arms down. Last round, inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left leg back and hold the plank. Now drop the heels left side. Turn your body right. Place the right hand on your waist. Lift your pelvis up. Keep the head line of spine. If you're comfortable, then take the right arm up. And slowly stretch your right arm forward over the right ear. And exhale. Keep the arm up. Come back to the center. And release. Now drop the heels to the right side. Place the left hand on your left side on your waist. Now raise the left arm up and stretch your left arm forward. And slowly come back and release the arm. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mounting. Inhale, right leg front, left leg front. Inhale, arms up, arch back, and exhale, arms down. Last round, left side. Inhale and exhale, hands to the chest. Arms up, arch back. Exhale, reach forward and down. Left leg back. Right leg back. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale up. Exhale, mounting. Now left leg front, right leg front. Apart your feet. Mat width apart. Place the elbows inside your knee. Join the palms close to heart center and sit down. Balasana. Bring your palms close to your chest. Push your hips down. Move your shoulders back. Open your chest. Close your eyes. And slowly release. Lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs, arms apart. Just take few deep breaths in the abdomen, so breathe consciously and slow down your breath. Keep breathing, breathing very slowly and deeply. With a deep inhalation, join the feet together, take the arms over the head, stretch your whole body nicely. Stretch. And release. Keep the arms over the head. Get ready for the single leg raises. Inhale, take the right leg up 90 degrees and exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, tuck your navel point in, press your tailbone, exhale down. Inhale, right leg up, exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, exhale down. Inhale, right, exhale down. Inhale, left, exhale down. With the both legs together, toes pointing up, tuck your abdomen in, or you can place the hands under your head, or you can place the hands under your back, support your back. Inhale, lift your both legs up to 90 degrees, toes in towards you, pushing your heels out. And exhale down, close to the mat. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last time, inhale up and hold. Move your toes in towards you. Now inhale and exhale, lift your head up, chest up, and stretch your arms towards your feet. Stretch your arms upward towards your feet. Now lift your chest up. Reach with your core. Engage your core muscles. Stretch your arms upward. Move your toes in, heels out. Stay there, breathe. And release. Now bend the knees, hug the knees to the chest. Now stretch your right leg out, head up, chest up, and stretch your both arms forward. Just keep the left knee bent close to your body. Stretch your right leg out, only one leg out. Exhale down, head down, chest down, bring your knee back. Inhale, head up, chest up, stretch your left leg forward. Keep the right knee bent close to your body. Feel the pressure on your core. And exhale, release. Inhale, stretch your right leg out, lift your chest up. And release. Last time, left leg out, chest up, head up, stretch your arms forward. and release. Bend the knees, hug the knees to the chest. And now place the feet on the mat. Open your arms at the shoulder line. Now drop the knees to the right side. Turn your head to the left. Inhale, center. Drop the knees to the left. Turn your head to the right. Inhale, center. Now place the feet on the mat. Bring your arms side of your body for the Setu Bandhasana. Lift your hips up, chest up. Stay there. Now place the hands under your lower back. Support your back. Shoulders down. Lift your pelvis nicely up. Shift your body weight towards your both feet. Keep the feet parallel. Shoulders on the mat. Inhale, deep inhale. Now take the right leg up and stretch your right toe out. Up, up, up. And release. Inhale, left leg up. Stretch your left leg upward. Exhale, down. And slowly bring your hips down. Chest down. For the shoulder stand. So legs together. Stretch your legs out, legs together. Palm side of your body. First lift your both legs up to 90 degrees and pull your both legs towards your head. Press your palms, lift your hips up and support your back. Stretch your both legs upward. Breathe. Hold your abdomen in. Stretch your legs up. Bring your elbows more close to each other. You can adjust your palms behind the back. Get ready for the variation. Slowly bring your right leg down. Inhale up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale up. Exhale, right. Inhale up. Exhale, left. Inhale up. Now lengthen up your body and exhale both legs down. Bring your foot down. Place the toes on the mat behind the head. You can interlock your fingers behind the back. Keep the arms straight on the mat. Leg straight, hips pointing up, shoulders down. Stay there and breathe. Now place the palms on the mat. Lift your toes up. Keep the leg straight, close to your head and slowly come out from your posture without lifting your head. And slowly bring your both legs down. Turn your head side to side. Now for the fish pose. So place the hands under your back, or you can do this with the Padmasana. If you have two choice, Padmasana में करिए या सीधा. Place the hands under your back, facing palm facing down. Now lift your chest up, head up, chest up. Look at your toes, and slowly drop the head back. Keep lifting the chest up. Lift your chest up and place the crown on the mat and breathe up to the lungs. And slowly lift your head up, chest up, look at your toes and slowly come down. Release your arms, make a tight fist around your thumb and rotate your wrist 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Turn your head side to side and relax in Shavasana, legs arms apart.
the deep inhalation, join the feet together, interlock your hands up, stretch your whole body. Stretch and release. Keep the arms over the head. Inhale, lift your both legs up, head up, chest up, stretch your arms forward. Hold the boat pose. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Now hold the leg. Place the palms behind the knee. Bend the both legs. Bend the both knees and pull your thighs towards your chest and push your chest towards your thigh. Your sole facing forward. Lift your heels more up, legs more up. Manideepa ji, yes. Now again stretch your legs out and keep the arms side of your legs. Stretch your arms out. Again bend, place the hands behind the leg. Pull your thighs towards your chest. Keep the back straight, relax your shoulders. And last time, stretch your legs out, or you can walk your hands upward, hold your toes, hold your ankles. And now pull your both legs towards your head and chest. Try to balance your body on your hips. Stay there, breathe. And slowly release. Bring your feet down, stretch your both legs out. Arms side of your body, legs together, feet together. Roll your shoulder back and down for the sitting forward bend. So with the deep inhale, raise the both arms over the head. Stretch your arms out, then come up. Palms facing to each other, navel point tuck in. Now push your tailbone down. And exhale, reach forward and down. So hold your ankles, hold your toes with your both hands. And keep pulling forward. Stretch your spine forward. Pull yourself upward towards your feet. Try to touch your thigh with your abdomen. Touch your knees with your chest. And bring your forehead close to your shin bone. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and come up, all the way up, and exhale down. Now open your legs wide apart. Stretch your arms all the way up. First turn your body left and go down to the right side. You can hold the right toe with the left hand and place the right palm on your left thigh. Place the touch your mat with your right elbow and try to lift your chest up. So just press your right elbow down to lift your chest up and look up towards your ceiling under armpit. Inhale up, come back to the center. Again raise the arms all the way up. This time turn your body right side, slightly right. Now place the left hand on your right thigh and then bend to the left side. Hold your left toe with your right hand. Place the left elbow on the mat inside your leg and then twist your body. So keep pushing your chest upward towards your ceiling and look up under armpit. Yes, lift your chest up and release. Come back to the center. Bring your legs together. Place the hands behind the back for the counter pose. Reverse plank. Now move your toes out, stretch your toes out and just press them down. Shift your body weight towards your palms, lift your hips up, chest up, place the flat foot on the mat and look up towards your ceiling. And release. Come down. Lie down on your abdomen and relax in Makarasana. Last 3 asana. Just lie down on your back, abdomen, Makarasana. So touch your big toes each other, heels apart. Place the one hand on the other hand and turn your head to one side. Now get ready for the Bhujangasana. So legs together, move your toes out and place the both hands under your shoulder, side of your chest. Place the forehead on the mat. With a deep inhale, just press your palms and lift your head up and chest up. Yeah, elbows close to your body. Move your shoulders back. If you're comfortable, just first push up, elbow bone down, then lift your chest up, and then stretch your chin up. And release. Now stretch your arms forward. Come down. Come down. Yes. Stretch your both arms forward. Both arms forward for the reverse board pose. And you can join the palms and place the head between the arms. Stretch your toes out nicely, legs together, active your core. Just create the length entire body. Inhale, lift your both legs up, head up, chest up and arms up. Just pull your legs back, stretch your arms forward and hold.
1, 2, 3, 4 and release. Now bend the knees.
Hold the ankles with your hands, place the forehead on the mat.
Inhale, lift your knees up, thighs up, head up, chest up. Pull up, chest up. Yes. Breathe. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Keep the soft smile on your face. Just pull your feet upward with the help of your hands. Lift your chest more up. 1, 2, 3 and release. Slowly sit up. Come up. Do the Marjariasana.
So place the knees on the mat, toes out, palms under your shoulders.
Make a nice tabletop. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down.
Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Slowly press your palms, press your wrist and pull yourself back. Place the hips on your heels and stretch your arms forward, forehead down and breathe.
And slowly sit up. Now drop the body right side. Bend the right leg on the mat. Left foot front of your right knee. Lift your right heel up and place the left hip on the ground. Your both hips should be grounded. Place the left hand behind, close to the backbone. Stretch your right arm up. Just twist your body. Hold, bring your armpit out. Hold the ankle and now bring your chest out. Then look over the left shoulder. And slowly come back. Take the arm up and exhale down. Change the leg. Place the left leg on the mat, right foot front of your left knee, the right hand behind. Stretch your left arm all the way up. Twist your body. Hold the left ankle with the right hand and just look over the right shoulder. Keep twisting. Sit straight with your back and bring your chin close to your right shoulder. Keep twisting. And release. Come back to the center. Hug your knees to the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale center. Turn your head to the right. Inhale center to the left. Inhale center. Drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Center to the left. Center. And slowly stand up for the triangle. So open your legs wide apart. Move your toes slightly in. Tuck your toe in. And place the both feet nicely on the mat.
arm side of your body, shoulders back. Now inhale, raise the left arm up, just stretch your left arm upward. Keep the right arm on your right leg, hips is square, navel point taken, pull the rib cage in, shoulders back. And exhale, go down to the right side. So just slide your right arm on your right leg and keep touching your left ear with your left hand. Your fingertip pointing to the right side, slightly upward. Hips is square. Breathe. Inhale up and exhale down. Now raise the right arm up same way and exhale, go down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now join the feet together, come up top of your mat. Stretch your arms all the way up, interlock your fingers, press your toes, heels up. Stay there, 1, 2, 3. Now bend the knees and push your hips back, hold the chair midway. Navel point again. Breathe, 1, 2, 3. Bring your hips more down, hold 1, 2, 3 and release. Lie down on your mat, relax in Shavasana. Legs, arms apart. Separate your legs. Now lift your both legs up just few inches above. Lift your both arms up. Make a tight fist around your thumb. Squeeze the facial muscles to the nose tightly. Tense, tense, tense. Now open your fingers nicely wide. Open your mouth. Pull out your tongue. Open your eyes and look behind. Tense, tense, tense and release. Now shoulders down. Turn your head to the right side, to the left and center. Adjust your body before go to the final relaxation. Just release the pressure, release the stretch, release the tension from your feet, your back, your arms, your neck, your shoulders, your face. Just relax completely. Relax. Relaxation should start from your toes. Your toes are relaxed.